Hello friends, it's Pastel and I have a springtime surprise for you. Today we are drawing this beautiful tulip flower. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open my sketchbook to a fresh new page. And today I want my tulip to be pink. Pink is my favorite color and I think it feels like springtime, but you should use whatever color you like. So the first thing I'm going to do for my tulip is I'm going to draw a big U shape, big curved line. And then from the tip top of this curved line, I'm going to draw another curved line down to here. So from here, I'm going to go from here down to there. And then, oh, and this is one of our flower's petals. Now let's give our flower another petal. So from this tip top line right here, I'm going to draw another curved line, but when I meet the first curved line, I'm going to stop. I'm not going to cross through. I'm going to stop right here. And now our flower has two petals. Look at that. It's already looking like a tulip. How pretty. So now I'm going to switch to my green crayon to draw a stem for my tulip. So the first thing I'm going to do is from the very bottom of my flower, I'm going to draw a line straight down. And tulips tend to have pretty long stems, so you can make this as long as you like. And tulips also have very tall, kind of spiky looking leaves. So from here at the bottom, I'm gonna draw a long curved line way up here. And then from this point, I'm gonna bring it all the way back down to the bottom. And now our tulip has a leaf. So let's give it another leaf to match. So again, from the bottom in the center, I'm gonna go way up here with a curved line, and then another curved line all the way back down to meet it. And that is our tulip. It's all done. Oh, look how pretty it came out. And did you know that tulips only come out during the spring? So if you see one, you can always tell that warmer days are coming. And I hope your tulip brightens your day too. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you remember to take your imagination everywhere.